This is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. This particular training program on Power BI with AI and Copilot, amazing concepts, truly practical, completely into real-time activities. Trust me, things are very simple and very useful for your next job. This Power BI training that I provide with AI and Copilot concepts are 100% practical with real-time projects and expert level classes with utmost care. I'll be showing you what is Power BI with definition and examples from scratch. Power BI is all about reading data from various sources, adding color to your data, and present it in a simple way, simplest possible way to the end users that should give us more information out of data. In my Power BI training classes, I'll ensure the things are very straight, simple, at the same time very useful for your next job. In my Power BI training classes, I'll make sure you practically involve in various types of data. As you see on the screen, we have various types of data like files, databases, apps, websites, and social media. From various types of data, we are going to read the content into Power BI. Once we get the content into Power BI, we are going to beautify the content, perform some calculations. If data is directly available from database, we use SQL to do these calculations and formatting. If data is from non-database, we need to have Power Query to perform this kind of formatting activities. Finally, we load the data into actual Power BI for end user analytics. Compared to other reporting environments, Power BI is cheaper, easier, very easy, very user friendly. At the same time, faster analytics, cloud reporting with AI and Copilot activities. In our training classes, we'll be concentrating on Power BI development job roles, data analyst job roles, BI developer, that is business intelligence developer job roles, and data engineer job roles. This Power BI involves good amount of integrations with SQL, Python, Azure, and Fabric. All these 4 items I will be taking care in our actual example step by step in our training program in Power BI. Real-time applications of Power BI involves big data projects, healthcare projects, and finance environments or finance sector. In my training classes, I have use case scenarios, case studies on each of these sectors for practical real-life touch on the subject. In my Power BI training classes, I need to teach you for SQL first. Then I'll be teaching you Power BI with complete information on design, hosting, Power Query, DAX, Copilot, and other things. Then finally comes real-time projects. So here is a module-wise content. We'll start with module 1, SQL queries. Then slowly step into module 2, Power BI concepts. Then finally step into module 3, AI and Copilot. We'll take it slowly step by step so that you wanted to be safe at your job desk, so that you wanted to have a specific resume, consistent, unique resume post my training classes and real-time project. We'll take it slowly step by step. 150 plus examples, good number of keywords and scenario-based activities, 2 real-time projects, 6 design tools are part of my Power BI training sessions. No doubt, things will be very colorful, very useful, but need your support. Just make sure, friends, we do on-time practice throughout the course. It works. The required certification guidance part of the course. Software installations part of the course. The required Power BI cloud accounts part of my course as well. We'll do it carefully step by step. What more you want? I am here to provide the complete realistic training classes with detailed notes, step by step guidance. Every session has assignments. Every week we have mock interviews, complete resume guidance and one-to-one mentorship. Part of my training classes, either you go for self-paced videos or live online or in-house classes in my Hyderabad facility. I am here to make you a pro in Power BI. See you soon in my actual classes. Thank you so much and bye-bye. Take care. Thank you once again.